In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable AI in Notion step by step. If you've been finding Notion AI distracting, unnecessary, or you simply want a cleaner workspace with AI prompts popping up everywhere, this guide is for you. This works for both personal and workspace settings, and I'll walk you through everything slowly so you can follow along, even if you're brand new to Notion. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your workspace name with a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens the main workspace menu, where you can manage settings and preferences. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the full settings panel. This is where Notion lets you control how your workspace behaves, including appearance, preferences, and AI-related features. Once the settings window opens, you'll see a list of sections on the left-hand side. Click on General. The General section contains global options that apply across your entire workspace. Now, inside the general settings, scroll carefully and look for anything related to Notion AI. Depending on your account and region, you may see options like Notion AI Suggestions, AI Writing Assistance, or AI Features. When you find the Notion AI option, toggle it off. Turning this off disables AI prompts, suggestions, and AI-powered writing features throughout your workspace. This helps reduce distractions and ensures that Notion behaves more like a traditional note-taking and productivity tool. After disabling the toggle, Notion usually saves your changes automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. You can close the settings window and return to your workspace. To confirm that AI is disabled, try opening a page and typing a slash or highlighting text. You should no longer see AI suggestions or prompts appearing. If you're using Notion with a team or shared workspace, keep in mind that some AI settings may be controlled by workspace admins. If you don't see the option to disable AI, you may need to contact your workspace owner or admin to change it for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully disabled AI in Notion and regained full control over your workspace experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses Notion and wants fewer distractions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.